Plasma makes up 99.9% of the known universe, and I'm pretty sure it makes up the other 0.1% as well. So when you look at the universe in terms of what is spiritual, I think a great place to look at is actually plasma, because much of it we can't see with our naked eyes, and that actually is the definition of spiritual. The energetic or non-physical forces that interact and impact us every day. It's for this reason I've really dived deep into the mechanics of things like astrology, human design, numerology, and just the mechanics of the universe. I've found that if you look at this entire structure as a series of embedded plasmas within each other, you can begin to understand things like yourself, what we're doing here on this planet, what things like archangels are, angels, things like aliens, and how faster than light travel is actually very simple once we master the energetic art of mixing plasmas. I've found that by understanding that every plasma field has at least two components to it, the up and down wave motions that we're all very familiar with in electrical dynamics or simple wave mechanics like the ocean, and the second, longitudinal, the less talked about part of all wave mechanics, unless we're talking about earthquakes, which in earthquakes they consider to be the primary wave, causing all other tectonic shifts all around the planet. It's also the cause of what makes the ocean have the up and down motion that causes waves to create tsunamis or just waves that crest on seashores. But it's when that water hits the shore and slides back in that we create or see longitudinal waves and how they operate. Inside of a plasma, it's much of the same thing. And it's for that reason you can use things like astrology, human design, and numerology to actually get an idea of the greater whole of the greater system. You can understand yourself and the world around you in a much more coherent and cohesive way. If you're interested in learning more, check out my website or my profile and see what I have to offer. Thanks.